Hello friends, welcome to the live session. I have one or two announcements to made. Also some tutorials are added. Let others join, so I'll let you know about the what are the new things we have added and all. So fine, Friday today, little busy today I was, so quickly I uploaded the whatever is completed today. So next 1 or 2 days we'll be working on more on this. Hopefully if I am coming tomorrow online, then we'll finish up this bootstrap. I hope you can manage the other widgets also, because there are more. These are the important and new widgets also, say particularly float gauge and the meter. These were not there in the basic kinter, so these are exclusively available. Similarly the date picker, whatever you have used, other things are already available in the kinter. Only the look and feel you can improve. A button, check button, radio button, and all these look and feel you can improve it. So that is why we are not discussing much, but still you are facing any issue anytime, you can post the questions to me. Friends, will continue. I will just thinking next week we'll start some other section, some other areas will start. Kinter is, of course, you are all more acquainted with the kinter applications and all developing, but meanwhile you have also learned how the database is integrated. So this is database integrations are not specific to the kinter, it is applicable to all. So once you know the how the database is connected, data is taken out and all this thing, you can anywhere you can apply it. Let it be a pandas, numpy, or any other application including Python. So that is the advantage of learning coding using any of the library. So you can Namaste Pratik, glad you are here. So that is the idea. So just check it up, the second part of the tutorial where we have used a select all and unselect all, that we have added it now. Just 2 minutes back I have uploaded that one. So I can just, yesterday also we discussed that. Let me just show you once more because it is ready. You can watch the tutorial. That tutorial will tell you how select all, unselect all, single button, toggles, everything. So that will be a good learning for you also. So you can, it is not that it is on kinter only, even in PHP also you can develop, even any other, wherever check buttons are there, you can dynamically create the check buttons and also can throw some light on the how you can update it. So there is a blog post also is there where PHP script is used in a form check buttons where it can check all and uncheck all, you can do it. So that is also gives you the idea. So I have uploaded it and you can verify that also. Now I will just take you to the demo part of it. So here it is, you are fine. So just see this, I am giving you more space here. Just one quick demo. Yesterday also we have discussed this, and hopefully this we are connecting to the SQLite database all the that single table with some 4-5 records we have created, and that code is also yesterday we discussed, that is there in the blog post. I will show you that. So here let's just see, run it once. So here it is, that you can see it is already checked. I will let me just manually uncheck it also. This also I can do whatever I want. Now check all. Now again uncheck all. I can manual or one by one I can change the toggle also. I can change it, then I can change this, then I can do check all, uncheck all, everything I can do it. Friends, I will just ask you to do one improvement. What you do is, see now check all stroke uncheck all for it is written. This text dynamically you change it also. Say this check button check all, then this uncheck all should not be there. When now all are unchecked, now only thing is the text should be check all should be available. Once I click this, all will be checked. Then what happened, this check all part will be removed and only uncheck all part will be there, because now the next operation will be I can uncheck all. So that you just think on that. So that will help you in understanding how the configuration, and that's a improvement you can add it. So, and if you are facing any issues or anything, let me know, I will do that. So that's the idea here, friends. Let me come back. I will show you what the pages we have added now. Some new addition means that blog post certain things so we have added. let me just take it out. Wait friends, I will show you. Let me move. Yeah, here is the blog post. You can just see, move to the top. See, this is where the link is there in the description. You can just visit this one, read the entire content. So there are 4 parts, as you have discussed it yesterday also. This third one, adding advanced feature like check all and uncheck all, this we have the video tutorial we have added it today. Now just come down here, see this image, and come down. Here is the part 2. So this tutorial here, all the links are also there. Just move up. I will show you here the part 1, and below that in the part 3 you will see the part 2. So 2 parts, both the parts are now available. So you can thoroughly read the blog. If you are still getting something, watch the tutorial, still some issues is there, you can post questions to me. I think that way it will be helpful to you. So you understand how the dynamically the check button, because it is not only the check buttons. I am not saying that it is only the check buttons you should dynamically. Many of the applications, buttons, labels, everything will comes dynamically. So dynamically means you are not sure, you are not manually adding one check button 1, check button 2, check button, like not like that. Inside a loop you are doing. Similarly, inside a loop also you will add buttons, you will add labels, you will add whatever the widgets are there. These are all dynamic widgets. And note that this is where whenever you are taking a data from a database, you don't know how many records will match. Say you are filtering, display all the students of class 4 whose mark is more than 30. You may get 10 records. Now same thing you must get on next query, you will write that display all the records of class 5 who got more than 90. You may get some other number of records. So you are not sure how many check buttons will come. There you have to create the dynamically all the check buttons. So that is the idea. We should know how the dynamically we can manage the widgets. That's the beauty, and it is all about the programming stuff. So how, and once you are managed dynamically, how you will index them. Say one check button you update it, so that should reflect, that check button only should reflect. It is not that other check button, say one check button I have made it true, then that record only should update, not that other record. So how you will take the reference to that check button, that is what in this tutorial, in this script, everything is explained here. So I hope you, with that knowledge, it will help you to develop complex applications. It's not complex. Once you understand it, it's not that complex. So friends, this is let me just come here and see if any. Okay, let me close the blog post now. Let me just come here, live stream, fine. So that's what the idea is. Tell me if you have any ideas or any new topic you want to study, or you want continue with the Bootstrap also, will continue. So I have shown you this demo, I have shown you the blog post also, whatever changes we have added to that, and videos. I just now I think I have uploaded completed the video uploading, so you can watch that video where select all, unselect all, that second part that is there. One thing I have left in the blog post, that suppose you are using MySQL database, how you will do that, what changes are required. Hope you can manage that, and almost all our scripts have this facility also. Wherever SQL Alchemy or SQL Alchemy is used, because that way we can handle any database. You will just change the connecting strings, rest of the code also will manage by MySQL. Try to update that. 2 things I am asking you to try on your own. One is switch over to MySQL database. Let me know whether that you are facing I am not tested with MySQL, but that code I am quite sure it will work. You are facing any issue, let me know. And second thing, I have asked the text on the button should only say what is the next action, whether you are able to check all or uncheck all, that the button should specify. So that's how you will do. Several times we have discussed, just giving you a hint. Use the config tab. Text is attribute. Use the config tab. Do it within where the based on read the status inside that function, when the function we use to update all the check buttons, inside that you read the status, then based on if the status is true, then check button config text equal to this. If the status is false, then check button config or configure, both are same, configure, then the attribute is text attribute you are changing, then that's what string you want. I have already told you, try this. So that will help you in your understanding of the configure and all. So by doing this, we are able to modify the any attribute. That's all, friends. So 10 minutes we have already 10 minutes over. So these are the updates I have give you. Once again, my request is please hit the like button and join us daily at 7:30. I am also, what I am going to do is shortly I will add a link in the blog post footer where that pointing to the live session. So anytime you can join us live on live. So click that, read the blog post, click the live button. You are in the YouTube, watch our live session. Everything is there. Blog is there, video tutorial is there, live session is there. You can still post the questions. So once everything is there, why you cannot? You can do a lot of projects and also you small scripts. I'll request you to try small programs. Don't go for a very complex one. Think complex while, but why doing? Start from the very small one. Add more features. Please subscribe our channel. We are regularly coming at 7:30 and discussing about Python. Right now we are focusing on Kinter. We are also database integration with MySQL, SQLite, Excel, CSV files and all, and web development in PHP also we are focusing. HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, all these areas we are working. So you can find the tutorials there. So you can study that. If you are having any ideas, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below or here you can post it. And if no more questions are there, then we'll stop the session every day 7:30. Note that around 10 minutes we are coming. Please tell your friends also to join, and with a request that join me. Tomorrow is the weekend Saturday. I'm not quite sure if I'll time. I'll just recap the entire week whatever done, or otherwise again we'll meet on Monday. So that's all, friends. I hope we can conclude it today. Please watch that tutorial whatever I have uploaded just now and hit your bell icon and all, so you will be getting all the notification, because lot of tutorials, helping codes, shorts I am also uploading. So those will help you. And you still need something anywhere, just let me know. That's all, friends. Hope you join next time also. Remember 7:30. Tell your friends also to join. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget that. So thank you. Thank you, Pratik, for joining. Hope you will join in next session also. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah.